We've been following ChatGPT's advice for our family vacation in the sunny beach in Bulgaria. But today we decided to take a local Baba's advice. She's a local grandma from Neseber, and she sent us to Plakamoto restaurant. All right, so we made it to Plakamoto, the restaurant in Neseber. Neseber is right outside of Sunny Beach. We got ChatGPT, got you from London, me from San Diego, and we went to an amazing shop, local shop, and Baba GPT told us about Plakamoto. Is this the owner?
This is the owner.
Как ти е името?
Димитър.
Димитър. Yes.
And just tell us a little bit about the restaurant.
Разкажи ни малко за ресторанта.
Ресторантът е основан на 1992 година. Веднага след като аз излязах от казармата.
The restaurant is based on 1992 after he get out of being in the military.
Amazing. Can you tell us about the point of sale?
Може ли да ни разкажеш малко как се реши да използваш тази система за поръчката на храната чрез телефона, директно да изпраща в кухнята?
Имахме проблеми, защото 4 сервитьора трябваше да работят, да бъдат обслужвани само от един компютър. Да. И много пъти ставаше, стояха на опашка да чакат единия да свърши, другия да започне. И затова решихме да пробваме технологиите, да внедрим новите технологии.
They often had problems because they had 4 servers and they were often waiting on a line to get to one computer to put in the orders. So they decided that they're gonna try a new technology, and that's how they tried this one.
That's the way to do it. How many covers does he serve every day in the height of season?
Колко гости имаш за един ден обикновено? Когато е много заето. Колко човека минават пред ресторанта?
300-400 може би.
300, 400, he doesn't know.
That's amazing.
Това е страхотно.
The food was phenomenal.
Храната беше невероятна.
The whole family, everybody loved the food.
Всички много им хареса. Цялото семейство, децата.
All the way from England.
От хора от Калифорния, от хора от Англия, на всички много ни хареса храната.
Can we show everybody how beautiful the restaurant is inside?
Може ли да се разходим из ресторанта, да ни покажеш колко е красив, защото ние сме много впечатлени. Да.
Заповядайте.
Айде.
Thank you. Let's go.
This is a garden made of figs. It's their fig garden. So this house used to be a family here, and when the firstborn son was born, this tree was put in. It's 100 years old. Then the family had a second son, and that's the second brother. Wow. They put the second tree, and they kept it when the house became a restaurant because it's the symbolic of the restaurant.
Does he live here?
Живял ли си тук?
Те са живели тук. Не, моята къща е от другата страна на улицата. Там е бара и кухнята. Това е само за гостите. Аз ползвам го под наем.
That's not his house. His house is the one across the street. Yes. Over there is the kitchen and the bar, and everything moves to here. This is just the garden.
Името на ресторанта е на една скала. Една скала, тя е една плоча там, където вълните се разбират.
So on the bottom over there, it's a big rock, which the name of the rock it's Plakamo. It comes from the Greek word, and that's how the whole beach is called. So they decided to name this restaurant on that rock.
Wow.
It's like in San Diego, how we have Bird Rock, and that's their version, but it's a Greek word. He grew up eating very fresh fish from very young, so that's his favorite.
Local fishermen that he buys it from?
От местни рибари ли ги купуваш?
Да.
Yes. Yeah, of course.
Is he friends with the other restaurant owners?
Ти приятел ли си с другите ресторантьори, собственици на ресторанти?
Yes.
Мой човек?
Мой човек, И после вече след няколко години този двор беше запустял за занемарение. Аз предложих на хората и те се съгласиха. Сключихме договор И така стана целият ресторант.
So in the beginning it was just this, but this is the untaken care of yard.
Да.
So he just contacted the owners and said, "Hey, I'll taking care of it for you. Can I rent off of you? I'll fix her up."
It's
and they were like, "Yes." And he just took over
It might
and
be the
fixed.
most beautiful trees I've ever like. They have fake trees in really nice restaurants,
Yeah.
but have you ever seen something like this?
Nothing real
Like
like
real live fig tree, two of them, one for each son. That's what, almost 100 years old?
Yes.
Yeah, with a
This
story.
one is
With a
a
story.
Yes.
There's your orange tree, fig tree story.
Yes.
Tree story, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Много им харесва историята за дърветата и колко готина локация, и колко е красив двора, и колко голям късметлия си.
Харесвано е заведението много, да.
Да.
Имаме много редовни клиенти, посещавам.
They have a lot of regulars because of how nice the location is.
Thank you so much for your hospitality.
Thank you. Thank you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Merci.
Merci.
So if you're coming to Nesbar, you're coming to the Black Sea, Bulgaria, this is the place that the locals recommended to us to come and eat. And not only is the food amazing, but look at this view behind us. One of the best views I've ever had eating in a restaurant, right? It
It's
was
absolutely amazing.
unbelievable. It's where the locals, Plakamoto, the
Dimitar.
gentleman's restaurant.
Dimitar, thank you for your hospitality. This is Bulgaria at its best. Neseber or Sunny Beach, wherever you are, come and visit our friend.